Hi, welcome to this new video from the mini-series about CUZK connectors. In Integray, we have multiple CUZK connectors, and today we are going to discuss the Authorized Entity Reader. This connector retrieves information from official Czech cadastral databases about territories and real estate properties. The process is simple. Just provide the ID of the authorized entity, which could be company ID or birth number, and the connector will return data based on this ID. The data structure is consistent for both methods of searching, but some values might be empty due to the general output scheme. Let's configure this connector. Here we have simulated input data for this connector. Here is the output scheme that will be input to the Authorized Entity Reader connector. Once the input step is set up, we can add the next step with the Authorized Entity Reader connector. After adding this connector, simply map input data. And in the configuration, you can select Search by Personal or Organization Number. Save the configuration and then add hostname. We are using a variable to store the hostname value, which can be defined in the Variables section. And in Authorization, place your token to hostname URL. After this, simply save configuration, close the Task Step Editor, and in the second step, click on Data Snapshot and select Every Time so we can see the output from the connector. Keep in mind to set it to Never or On Error once the configuration is ready to be moved to the production environment. Then publish this task and run it. Now, when we open the history of task runs and click on the Data Snapshot, we can see data based on the ID we provided in the input. The data can be modified or transformed in any way possible to meet specific project requirements. And that's it from this connector. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on social media so you don't miss out on any useful insights.